The Xz1350 horizontal direction drilling rigs are famous for their high torque, high push-pull force, fast speed, and flexible configuration. They are suitable for geological conditions in a wide range of areas with high construction efficiency and wide application range. The parameters are comprehensively improved and the construction efficiency of the drilling rig is increased by 30%. 20 years technical accumulation, special HDD structure, reliable quality, and long service life. Flexible configuration to meet different customers' needs, reduce labor intensity, and improve construction safety. For high temperature and rainy climate in India, high temperature resistance and rainproof.